Hi AP Human Geography scholars, I'm Dr. Sawyer, and I created the GOATcard system, get it? The greatest of all time note cards. I created this system because I am so passionate about your learning in AP Human Geography. In fact, I have taught AP Human Geography in 2 different high schools. I in fact started AP Human Geography in both of the high schools. I am also the author of the globally read Crash Course in AP Human Geography, published by REA. All right, AP Human Geography scholars, it is now time to jump in to our AP Human Geography GOATcard review unit on population and migration patterns and processes. Let's start with our first GOATcard. On this first GOATcard, I'm going to review with you a key concept, population distribution and density. As I go through the GOATcard, I encourage you to be writing down all of the information. Pause the video at any time or rewind if you need to hear it again for your notes. Remember, you can be using my study tool found on my website, thegoatcard.com, to be writing down your notes as you go through my videos. Geographers are interested in the distribution or pattern of where people live. Density is the calculation geographers use to study population distribution across scales of inquiry. Let's talk about that term, scales of inquiry, too. That means how zoomed in we are in studying a particular geographic phenomenon. In this case, we're talking about density. And scales of inquiry can be local, national, regional, or global. So for example, if we were at a local scale of inquiry, we would be studying the data in a particular neighborhood or town. If we were studying a particular geographic phenomenon at the national scale of inquiry, we would be studying all of the data for a particular country. If we were studying a particular geographic phenomenon at a regional scale of inquiry, we would be looking, for example, at an entire region of places, such as all of North America. If we were studying a particular geographic phenomenon at a global scale of inquiry, we would be studying all of the data from across the world. Geographers describe population distribution in many ways, such as being dispersed or spread out, or concentrated and clustered, which means more clumped together. Earth's human population is unevenly distributed. Asia has the highest concentration of people, whereas Australia has a low concentration of Earth's population. Population distribution can be influenced by physical, economic, political, cultural, and historical factors. Let me share some examples with you. If you study Europe's historical population distribution, you will notice clustering around the coal deposits from the Atlantic Ocean to the Ural Mountains, as these natural resources fueled the 19th century Industrial Revolution. Jerusalem has a high population density, in part because of the religious significance of the region. All right, let's turn our attention to our first skills application in this pink box. I want you to listen to the question and then pause the video, write down your answer in your own notebook or the study tool that I've made, and then restart the video to hear my thinking on this question. All right, here's the question, AP Human Geography scholars. Compare the population distributions represented in space A and space B. All right, AP Human Geography scholars, let me share with you my thinking on this skills application question. Here's what I wrote. The population distribution in space A appears to be more dispersed than the population distribution in space B, which appears to be more concentrated or clustered. Well, there you have it, AP Geo scholars. That is my mini edition of my full Unit 2 review video on population and migration patterns and processes. Such an important unit in AP Human Geography, and I really hope that this was helpful to you in your studies. Go to thegoatcard.com and get my full review video for this important unit on population and migration patterns and processes. In my full video, I continue to review the concepts and skills I believe you need to know to do your best on the AP Human Geography exam and in the course. I review concepts and skills such as the demographic transition model and migration patterns and processes such as voluntary and involuntary migration, push and pull factors, refugees and internally displaced people, migration streams, Thomas Malthus and his theory on overpopulation, including positive and negative checks on population growth. At my website, you can also sign up for my weekly live review sessions where I will be going over each week key information related to each unit to help you do your best on the AP Human Geography exam and in the course. You can also enroll in my weekend review academies while space lasts to help you become the GOATs of AP Human Geography. Keep in mind that my GOATcard review system is designed as a helpful study resource to supplement your studies to help you maximize your performance on the exam and in the course. I highly encourage you to continue to review your notes from your classes, your readings, your independent studies, and your additional resources in addition to my system. Also, I want you to know I am not affiliated with the College Board or the Advanced Placement Program. They do not endorse my GOATcard system. This is my own invention based on my teaching and my research for nearly a decade into this amazing course and the exam. Email me at drsawyer@thegoatcard.com to give me feedback on my videos and my review system. Let me know if you like it and if there are any suggestions you have to improve it. And please let me know if I should make more of these GOATcard review videos to help you in your preparations for the exam. Congratulations on being students in the Advanced Placement Program. Good luck, GeoGoats!